highway 95. So, kailangan doon 60 miles per hour. Because I thought we will stop first.
No, you don't have to stop when there's not a stop sign.
200 for Aaron, 200 mine. Costs 400. For 20 bucks.
Alright, we're getting ready for our first trip onto the highway. Or I suppose it's technically a highway.
This is Lord. Safe.
That's we gotta say our prayer here. Bless us, Lord. And then, Moo, get us home safe. Alright, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Alrighty. You gotta put it in drive first.
Oh yeah. I need always, if I will press or...
Yep, you gotta press on the brake. And then just remember, slowly lift your foot off the brake. There you go. And now you can start slowly. Yep, there you go.
Sometimes I don't know that's already in a proper or not.
What?
This one, I always checking.
Oh, yeah. Well, you're going to want to keep your eyes on the road instead of checking if the wheel is on the proper spot. But, remember to... What? Yep.
I forgot.
You forgot to look to see if there's someone coming or not.
No, I forgot that that's a Gus.
All right, well, this is going to be an interesting ride. All right, now you clear both ways. So when you pull onto the highway, you have to accelerate faster than that. You can't pull out slow. Just keep it between the lines. Doing good. So our destination's right up ahead there.
So, nagpa-practice driving ako ngayon, guys. I mean 60. The speed limit is 60 miles per hour. Ang kanyang speed limit. Aaron bought during. So I'm a bit nervous, but I need to, because I need to learn how to drive. And we took a roundabout. Well, I did it well, I guess. The roundabout.
Yeah, and then you missed your other turn. But we're learning and we're getting there.
It's because I don't know that we will go here at the store.
I told you that's where we were going when we left.
No, I didn't hear it.
Well, you didn't hear it. That doesn't mean I didn't say it. Well, we made it to our first destination at least. Now we're attempting to get back home. All been harvested. You gotta work on going through your turns. You can't stop halfway through your turn. So
what is the speed limit here?
55. That was a raccoon.
Yeah. So it earlier.
Look, it's Moo's house. Alright, we're on the home stretch now. We're on, which road are we on?
14.
County Road 14. Bright sun. How do you feel?
I'm a bit nervous, but I'm good because I think I know a little bit. I mean, I can handle a little bit of not to 100%. What do you call that? I'm
Confident?
confident.
Right, but you did good today. You confidence builder. So we do a little bit at a time. You know, just kind of keep going a little bit at a time, and you'll get there. But you are kind of going a little fast on the dirt road, aren't you?
But my problem will be like if with parking, is it?
Parking? Yeah, that's a whole different story. We're gonna work on turning and all that stuff.
Dumpling soup. With the noodle with dim sum.
That's the one you have camp. I mean, that's the one you have camp.
This isn't the one that Mike shot. That looks too big, don't it?
Well, the one on that side looks funny. The tip. And that looks funny, doesn't it? I think that's the one. Yeah, I think that's the one he shot. I'm pretty.
Out of that one.
We want flip. What do you call it? Flip tops.
Pull tabs.
Pull tabs, and we want 200.
400.
400. One.
I gotta clean it. The white diamond. I gotta clean it up a little bit.
You want 400 for a gambling.
That's how we do it right out of that.